Yeah? Yeah?
I don't know what we were gonna say.
Then we're gonna talk about some of the things we want to do.
Okay.
It's a good thing you can edit. Hi, we're Melody and Mark, and we are here on a journey of restoration for 1981 Puma GTI, and it's a little rough right at the moment. We bought it about a year and a half ago. It's come a long way, and it seems like it hasn't come very far at all. There are some things out of our control that we'll have to hand off, but there are some things that we're going to be working on, and we're looking forward to doing that. So it's a little bit cool out. It's not quite spring yet. As you can see our breath.
It's still winter. It's February. It's middle of February right now.
Yeah, right, yeah.
So
Just happens to be a mild day.
it's raining right now. So we're starting making videos now while it's still cool out, so that it will be ready for summer and actually look okay during the summer.
We can actually drive it when the weather's nice. So we're starting now.
So yeah, our videos will mostly just be about little things that we can actually fix ourselves.
That's right, yeah.
So yeah.
This is not a professional channel.
Oh no.
No. It's just an adventure that we are on, and we want you to follow along with us.
So yeah, thanks for being here with us. So this first video will just be about our ideas of what we want to do with the car, and where we're hoping to take it or hoping to do, just throwing ideas around of just like things we could do. I don't know if a lot of the stuff we can
Likes,
do.
dislikes.
Likes, dislikes, yeah.
What other people have done, what we want to do ourselves, you know.
Colors,
Yeah.
fabrics,
Textures, yeah.
So hopefully it goes well. I don't know, we might invite some more people on so that they can throw around their ideas too, because
Get their
it's
input.
more minds, more ideas are better than just, I guess, one. So
Yeah. Collaboration.
hopefully, like, even in the comments, or like if you follow us on Instagram, you can put in your comments as well, and we'll take those into consideration as well into how to make it the best car it can be. So yeah, thanks for joining us.
And welcome along for the ride.